My father, at the age of 17, was too young. That was in 1916, 17, when the First World War was taking place. There was the attempt to build under Jabotinsky, a Jewish legion, which they did and fought in Palestine under Allenby. And Radler published an ad which read something, "Young men, if your Jewish blood runs warm in your veins, now is the time to come to the assistance of building a state in Palestine." And my father took that very seriously, but neither his mother nor his father felt that he was old enough to enlist. And so when those that had enlisted went to the downtown train station to go to the training camp, which was in Nova Scotia, my father didn't go down with the boys, but took a streetcar way out to the next stop on the train. And my grandfather was at the station seeing these boys off, wishing them well. And my father got on the train at the next stop in Montreal West. So he made it, and he went overseas as a historian of the Legion, who came to Canada to study the Legion and the training in Nova Scotia, said to me, "Do you realize your father was in the First Army in 2,000 years, which fought for a state in Palestine?" And I said, when you put in those terms, I never thought of it as the First Army in 2,000 years.